Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Cybrosys. In today's video, we are going to explore how to manage international vendor price list in Odoo using multiple currencies. So here I'm using USD as my base currencies. You can use your base currency as per your concern. And if your business involves sourcing from different countries, this video will show you how to automate vendor pricing and currencies conversion in Odoo. So let's create a scenario first. Let's say you guys own an electronic retail business in United States. Imagine. And you guys need to purchase Bluetooth speaker from a local supplier in USD and a smartwatch from a German supplier in Europe. So you can see that we are going to deal with the international currencies, right? So now you want to do in Odoo some things like you need to automatically apply vendor-specific prices and handle different currencies. Lastly, convert everything into your base currency as USD for reporting and accounting. So let's see how we can do that. Before that, let's directly move to the accounting app and let's enable some configure options. Head over to the configuration and there we have the settings. Let it load. And let's search for the currencies. Under the accounting, here we have the currencies and there you can see two options. First one is main currency, which is the main currency of your company. It's defaultly set as USD. You cannot change any currencies from here. Once you change this currency into Euro, let's see what will happen. Now here you can see invalid operation. You cannot change the currency of the company since some journal items already exist. So let's close this. And let's save. Let's remove Euro and put USD. And let's save this. Once more, let's type for the currencies and there you can see the currencies and automatic currency rate. Once you have go to the currency side, there you can see different currencies in RDB like Euro, Saudi Riyal, United States dollars and everything. So here Euro is defaultly activated. So you can simply activate the currencies by clicking this option. Let's move back to the settings side. And once more, let's search for the currencies. And there we have the automatic currency rates also. So you need to enable this option which is called automatic currency rate, which update exchange rate automatically. So here you can see the service providers, different service providers are here. And here you can see intervals are set there as manually. And here we have daily, weekly and monthly also. And you can also specify the next run. So let's hit the save button. After that, let's move to the purchase module. And there we need to find a vendor. Alright, here we have Azure Interiors. So let's consider Azure Interiors as our German vendor. So let's specify the country as Germany. Under the sales and purchase tab, there you can see supplier currency. So you need to specify Euro as the supplier currency. And let's save this. After that, let's move to the product side and let's specify the product. So here I'm going to create our product, which is a smartwatch. And there you can see all of the other details. Let's track the inventory. And under the purchase tab, let's add the vendor as Azure Interior. Let's specify the quantity as 1. And the unit price is 45 Euro. Once we have done with that, let's simply save this. And let's create the purchase request for quotation. Let's create a new request for quotation. considering as your interior. And there you can see once we consider as your interiors as our vendor, there you can see the currency is defaultly set as euro. Okay, now let's add our product, smartwatch. And let's specify the quantity as 10. Once you have done with that, there you can see the unit price and the total in euro. And let's confirm the order. Once we have confirmed this order, we need to, validate the receipt. Let's validate the receipt. Validate. And let's move back to the purchase order, and there you can see we need to create a bill, right? So we can simply create a bill and we need to pay this bill also. Let's create a payment. After that, here we have done with all of the procedures, and let's move back to the purchase order. So once you are confirmed your request for quotation to a purchase order and you have done with the bill and everything, now the Odoo will convert the amount into USD using the real-time exchange rate. So obviously this ensure your accounting always reflect your base currency as USD. So now let's check under the reporting. So in purchase, let's move to the pivot table, and there we need to flip the axis, and here you can see our purchase order. And let's move here, and there you can see every details like order date, when the product. Here we have the product like smartwatch, and you can see all other details, and under the total there you can see it converted into USD. Alright, so now let's move back to the accounting module and let's check the accounting report also. So under the reporting section, there we have the general ledger. Once we have opened the general ledger, under the account payables, let's check. Okay, there we have the account payables, and there you can see as your interiors as well as the currency in euro, and there you can see it's converted into the USD rate. Alright, so this ensures your accounting always reflect as your base currency, right? So that's how you can easily handle the international vendor price list using multiple currencies in Odoo with USD as your base, and you can use your base currency. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and like button, and if you have any queries, just comment below. And thank you for watching the video.